Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal X, a Royal 10 machine right here, and it needs a right hand knob. Here is the remaining knob on this machine. Not much left to this guy. And I have a selection of Royal knobs here. As you can see, I think this one and this one are off a KMM, and this one will work on this side, but it's not the same style as this. This is what we're looking for. That's on the left side. But I don't have one of these exact ones for the right side. I have some that are bigger, and then I have a few bigger ones on the left side, these two guys. And then these guys are, again, KMMs. And this one doesn't fit. The shaft is too small. I'm not sure what it fits. I'm going to try to get one of these to work. I think this shaft will fit on there, but it's got to be, the variable's got to be taken out, and it might have to be cut. So I'm going to use the dirtier of the one and see if this works. I'm going to take the variable out here. Oh yeah, that's tight. Okay, there it goes. The screw's probably never been out of there. So this variable should come right out here. Got a little spring in there. But we're just after the knob. So let's pull this guy a little closer here. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so it fits, but yeah, butts up too soon. Looks like that collar might go inside of there. No, it doesn't want to. It's not going to work, I don't think. Oh, maybe these screws are just too tight. Let's see, it's bottoming out there. Let's try this. There we go. Wow, that might. I think that's going to work without even taking the cutting that collar down. We can just tighten this up. How easy is that? Could not be any easier. I thought for sure I was going to have to cut that down, and we're just going to leave that variable off of there and leave that little gap open. I don't think there's any need to try to cap that or anything. Alright, I think that's going to work for this particular job. And clean that up some, and it's close enough to a match on this side that I think that will work. Well, that's neat to know. Alright, I got a lot to do on this still. I've only done the knobs, and the new feed rollers, new bale rollers here are replaced. They were flat and unusable. But I got a lot to do on this 10. Just getting started. And knob is done. Bale rollers are done. Good day.